Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the VPN in Norton 360 on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Norton app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on menu at the bottom of your screen. Now at the bottom, tap on VPN. You will see a switch or button that says turn on or connect. Tap the connect button. The first time you use VPN, your iPhone may show a message asking for permission. Tap allow, and if needed, enter your iPhone passcode or use Face ID. Wait a few seconds. When the VPN is connected, the switch will turn green and you will see a message that says connected. You may also see a small VPN icon at the top of your iPhone screen. When you no longer need the VPN, go back to the Norton 360 app, tap the VPN, then tap the switch to turn it off. Wait a moment until it disconnects. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Norton 360 VPN on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.